This credit planner made me $27 on day one, then $91 by the third day, and over $800 by the end of the month, all built with Canva and sold through a Faceless theme page. No followers, no paid ads. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'd make $100 a day selling credit-based digital products starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the product, the platform, how I build it, and the traffic strategy I use to make sales fast, even without showing my face. The strategy overview. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick a digital product idea in the credit space that solves a real problem. Step 2, use Canva to design a high converting product. Step 3, promote it through a Faces Instagram theme page. It sounds simple, but I'll show you exactly how to pick the right idea and how to make it convert. But real quick, I didn't just guess this would work. I reverse engineered other pages making money with credit-based digital products. Let me show you. Finding a product that sells. Go to Etsy and type credit repair template, business funding guide, or dispute letter bundle. What you'll notice is the top listing have hundreds of reviews. Some sellers even have multiple digital products, all credit related, priced between $17 and $57. Then I realized something. There are people out there making serious money from digital product credit guides with zero coaching or consulting. So I opened ChatGPT and typed, give me 5 credit-related digital product ideas that are beginner-friendly and high converting. Here's what I got. All of these are emotionally driven. People buy them because they want a fast win, whether that's deleting collections or getting funding to grow their business. I decided to go with the Credit Comeback Starter Kit because I had experience in that space and I knew the pain points well. Let me show you exactly how I built it in Canva. Building the product in Canva. Go to canva.com, click create a design, choose US letter or A4 design. Start with 5 to 10 pages that cover a funding checklist, a tier 1 and tier 2 bank breakdown, business credit card examples, step-by-step approval process, and mistakes that get you denied. Use Canva's templates to drag and drop elements. You can even use their table feature to organize credit cards and approval data. Add your logo or brand name, which is optional. Then click download and then hit PDF. I have a product that people will pay $27 to $57 for because it's saving them hours of research and helping them avoid mistakes. So most people stop here, but they forget the most important step, traffic. Let me show you what actually got me sales. Setting up to sell. Go to Gumroad.com, click new product, select digital product, and then upload your PDF, the same one that we saved in Canva. So you can set the name to 150K business funding blueprint, step by step. Price it at $27 or test higher like 47 or 57. And add a description like, learn the exact steps to position your credit for 150K in approvals, even as a beginner. Includes a funding checklist, a card list, and more. You could design a cover photo on Canva using their mockup tool. Just search ebook cover or tablet mockup and just drag your cover image into your mockup. Publish it. That's your digital storefront. Now here's where the magic happens. I built a Faces credit page, and that's what brought me in consistent traffic. Driving traffic with a theme page. Create a Faces Instagram theme page about credit, funding, or financial hacks. Post reels like 3 mistakes killing your credit score. How I got 150K in funding with a 680 credit score. Stop applying to these banks if you want approvals. And use other big accounts in your niche for ideas. Look at their top performing videos with the most views and repost that same content on your theme page. And for more additional traffic, we post these same reels to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And in your bio, you want to add your Gumroad link and pin your highest performing video to the top of your page. I built my page this way and went from 0 to over 1,000 followers fast, with videos hitting 5K, 10K, and even over 50,000 views. That's how I made 3 sales in one day from one single reel. And the best part, you don't need to go viral. Even if you only get 10 to 15 clicks a day, you can still make $50 to $100 daily if your offer is solid. Once your first product works, stack it. Here's how. Bundle the product with a dispute template pack. Also add an upsell for a video explainer. Also create a mini email course and send emails and pitch the product inside your emails. You're no longer just selling PDFs. You're building a real product brand around it. I've seen Faces pages in this niche pulling 3K, 5K, even over 10K months just by uploading valuable reels daily and linking to just one product. If this video helped you, drop a like and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see me test another digital product niche from scratch, comment next product down below. I'm out though. Peace.